Welcome back, Divas. Today's video, we're going to show you how to use your brush saver bottle. We get questions all the time on how to use this bottle and what it is for. So we're going to tell you exactly what it is for. Oftentimes, your dip base liquid or your dip top liquid can get contaminated with activator and then harden. So we're going to show you how to use the brush saver with your dip top coat liquid, but you could also use it with your dip base liquid. So my dip powder top coat bottle is a few months old now, and it's starting to thicken a little bit. So it's definitely not a brand new bottle that's performing at its best. So what I'm going to do to replicate a hardening situation is put my dip top coat brush straight into my activator. It immediately solidified my brush. It is so stiff, it cannot be moved, it does not fan out, and it will not work anymore unless I save it. In order to make my top coat brush soft again, you have to swap out the brushes with the brush softener one. So I unscrew the brush softener brush and I have to clean it really well on a paper towel to get all that liquid out of the brush. Then you can go ahead and put that brush directly into your dip top coat bottle. Put the brush in the top coat bottle, screw it on, and give it a little shake so that all the liquid can start settling into the bristles. The hardened brush, though, needs to go into the brush saver bottle. I recommend at least letting it sit for 24 hours before you take it out, but I personally do not remove mine from this bottle until I need to soften another brush again. Now we want to test out the brush on our dip top coat bottle. It's probably been in there for a couple minutes now, so I'm going to take it out and show you that it is soft and you can use it right now. If by any chance your brush is not soft, I recommend letting it sit in there for 24 to 48 hours before you try to use it again so that it can acclimate to the liquid. Here I'm just taking my brush to a swatch stick so I can show you that it is fanning out like if it was brand new. Thank you, Divas, so much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below, and let us know if there's any other videos you'd like us to record for you guys. Bye!